the new area being built. And there's part of the circus. This is taken on.
Going towards Lake Mead, towards the Hoover Dam, excuse me. This is just an idea of some of the canyons that we're going to be viewing. This is right along Highway 93. As you can see, it's pretty vast.
Well, there it is. Hoover Dam, built in the 30s. One of man's marvelous accomplishments. You can tell it's pretty big.
We want to say hi.
Hi! Hi!
Say hi,
Hi!
Angela.
Hi!
Here we are.
Danny here! Hi! Okay, look at it roll sideways. Look at the thing roll sideways. Or,
Yeah, right, go back.
why is it sideways?
Tunnel built into the rock.
What? So those things falling down where they...
Mighty big down there.
Hoover Dam is 660 feet thick at its base and 45 feet thick at its crest. It stretches 1,244 feet across the Black Canyon.
It's the highest dam in the western U.S.
It is 726 feet above the bedrock. It is the Western Hemisphere's highest concrete dam.
Built in the 30s by Hubert Hoover. Took a lot of men to build this.
Yeah, we've driven through Arizona, we've been to Las Vegas, we've been to Mexico. This is New Year's Eve day, 1990, and we spent New Year's Eve at the Grand Canyon, and here we are.
And it was real majestic. And it even has snow up here. See the sound of the passenger trains. See the snow? Take a look down here. Here's just one of the views. See how close we can get.
See how cold
The Grand Canyon.
We wanted to ride the mules and horses, but because I'm pregnant, we can't do that. They just wouldn't let me on the mule, so I guess we have to rough it.
This lookout point where we just were.
Oh, go down there.
You can see it. Grand Canyon does go very far. It's only